Hey guys, it's Miss Hamilton. Wanted to hop on here so that I can read to you the questions and the answers for the Chapter 1 target check. If you're looking at my screen, you can see that I'm seeing what you're seeing. Make sure you please put your first and last name in this, okay? Make sure you please capitalize your first and last name. I know that's a little pet peeve of me, but it is definitely something that's important. You guys are all juniors and seniors. You should know how to do that. What I'm going to do for the first, looks like 10 questions, is you have a drop-down menu for these options, and all of the options are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and read you the options so that you can hear what these words are. Hunter-gatherer period, agricultural revolution, industrial revolution, non-renewable resource, pollution, resource depletion, the tragedy of the commons, ecology, developing country, and developed country. Okay, so for questions 1 through 10, those are all going to be the same options. You're going to choose one. Question 1, an undesired change in air, water, or soil. And again, you're going to choose from this drop-down menu. I will give you a hint. You will only use all of these terms once. So if you've already chosen that term for a different one, please choose something else. Number 2, describes conflicts associated with sharing resources. Number 3, humans lived in tribes using fires to maintain the prairie. Number 4, this is characterized by high population growth rate and extreme poverty. Number 5, plants and animals were domesticated, human populations grew. Number 6, natural material formed at a much slower rate than it is depleted. Number 7, characterized by high personal wealth and high levels of consumption. Number 8, the study of living things and their interaction with their non-living environment. Number 9, rate of resource use depletes resources and creates pollution and waste. I'll read that again. Number 9, the rate of resource use depletes resources and creates pollution and waste. And number 10, society shifted to fossil fuels. Number 11 is multiple choice. Please only choose one. All of the following disciplines are major contributors to the field of environmental science except for biology and earth science, chemistry and physics, social sciences, or linguistics. Number 12, most of today's environmental problems began during which period in human history? The hunter-gatherer period, the agricultural revolution, or the industrial revolution? Number 13 is a select more than one. So you can select one or you can select as many right answers as possible. Number 13, population growth in the 20th century accelerated with which environmental stress or stresses? Resource depletion, pollution, or habitat destruction? And again, you can choose more than one correct answer. Number 14, because environmental science encompasses so many different fields of study, it is said to be a blank science. Ecological, interdisciplinary, social, or human? Number 15, which period in human history occurred prior to the others listed below? Hunter-gatherer, industrial revolution, post-industrial revolution, agricultural revolution? Number 16, to survive, hunter-gatherers changed their environment by And this is one, guys, that you can choose more than one right answer. Okay? Burning the prairies to prevent trees from growing. Spreading plants to areas beyond where they originally grew. Or none of these options. Number 17. During the agricultural revolution, plants and animals were domesticated, fossil fuel use increased, or human populations decreased due to disease. Number 18. The blank was not a direct result of the Industrial Revolution. Overhunting of large mammals. Shift to the use of fossil fuels. Improvement in quality of life. Growth of cities. Number 19. What represents Earth's modern commons? Shared natural resources, protected grasslands, threatened species, unpolluted habitats. And the last question, number 20. If I don't use this resource, someone else will, refers to sustainability, tragedy of the commons, law of supply and demand, or ecological footprint. Again, this is your Chapter 1 target check. Please let me know if you have any questions.